Unit 731 The Dissection Experiment. In this horrifying experiment, victims were subjected to vivisection, a form of dissection performed on live subjects without anesthesia. Prisoners, often tied or restrained, were subjected to invasive surgical procedures while fully conscious. The purpose was to study the human body's internal structure, organs, and the effects of various diseases and injuries. Without any regard for their pain or well-being, the experimenters would cut open the victims' bodies, exposing their organs and tissues. They would meticulously examine and document the physiological changes, conduct organ removals, and even perform surgical interventions to observe the body's responses. These experiments were carried out on a wide range of subjects, including men, women, and even children. The victims endured unimaginable agony as they were kept alive throughout the dissection process. The experimenters displayed a complete disregard for the victims' humanity, treating them as mere objects for scientific exploration. The suffering inflicted on these individuals was beyond comprehension, as they were subjected to intense pain, shock, and often fatal injuries. This horrifying story sheds light on the extreme cruelty and disregard for human life exhibited by Unit 731. The victims of these dissection experiments endured unspeakable pain and became tragic examples of the depths of inhumanity during wartime research.